welcome back to G'day's Garage. As the title suggests, I'm going to show you how I polish my stainless steel bolts. Here's a standard one. These are all for the Tasmania bike I'm rebuilding. Here's a standard one. There's an unpolished stainless steel bolt, and there's one that's polished. As you can see, they come up pretty damn good. You can just about see the reflection in there. Yeah, so I'm getting these bolts ready so I can rebuild the wheels for the Tasmania bike. I'm slowly getting there with that, and once the wheels are rebuilt, it'll be a full strip down and rebuild and put back together. So I've already polished the centre hub for it, put new bearings in it, yeah, cleaned it up, gave it a polish. So these wheels will be, I've also ordered new tyres and that for it, so these wheels will be fully rebuilt at the end of it. So I'll show you through the process I do to polish the bolts. I start off by whacking them in the lathe here. I better turn the friggin' light on. Whack them in the lathe and just skim the top off. Then I go over to the belt sander, give them a light sand. Then I come over to the DA sander, go over it with the DA, get them all nice and dull and flat, and then back over to the polishing wheel. Finish them off on the polishing wheel and we're good to go. Now, I just use a couple of nuts. As you can see here, I've slid them. 1, 2, I just slid them with an angle grinder. That way you can hold them in the vise, wind them down on the bolt, and hold them in the vise, and also you can hold them in the lathe, nice and tight, and you don't stuff any of the threads up. So I'll go through the process, show you how it's done. Some people might find it interesting, some people probably think it's shit, but anyway, this is how I do it, and yeah, if you like it, drop us a comment. Righto, so just get your bolt like this, screw the nuts down onto it as far as I'll go. Once the nuts are on it, you can tighten up, and you won't stuff any of the threads up. There we go. I'll whack this one on like that. Okay, we'll go over to the lathe now and whack it in the lathe, and I'll show you the next step. All right, we'll whack it in the old vise. Being careful not to tighten it up on the actual bolt itself. Get in there, like that. Tighten it up, whack it on, and then we knock the top off it. Just a light skim. Done. Now if you haven't got a lathe, you could probably just do this on the belt sander, but it's just a little bit quicker for me because I do have one. Or you could even use a hand file if you wanted. Probably take you forever, but yeah, just knock the top off it like that. Ooh, where are we? Yeah, like that. Just knock the top off it, and go to the next one. All right, next stage we just sand the end a little bit flatter. That's all it needs. Right, next stage we whack it in the vise. Alright, now we sand it to oblivion. we end up with the end of it looking like that, nice and dull. Then we go to the next stage. Alright, give it a rub with microfiber towel now. That's it. Happy days. Righto. That's how I do my polish my stainless steel bolts. I've done it on oh, where is it? The other mini bike. You can see down there, they're done. Polished all the bolts and that one. Mounting the engine on. Yeah. So easy process. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give us a like. Don't forget to subscribe. We'll see you on the next one.